problem. The roof is leaking. We have a really big problem in the tech theater room.
No.
The roof is leaking. I'm getting wet.
Oh yeah, we can't really look down there. Raining in here. It's getting like that. Okay, don't get on my shoulders.
Obviously,
No bueno.
either there was a pool of water.
Sky is falling. We need help.
Just a pool of water.
No one knows what to do.
It's gonna hit the electrical wires.
We're gonna all explode or
We're
something.
gonna like fake. We're gonna implode.
He's really wet.
Regular water.
I don't think Hudson cares what's going on. Maybe
I think he might be going to call.
Tony, what do you think's happening? Do you think it's a sign from Jesus?
No, I think either the air conditioner is messed up or there's a puddle on the roof.
I think I should continue.
Tony, I think it's a sign from Jesus.
I don't.
Looking for some truth. What's going on? I hope I'll find it in you. Hey there, what am I to do? Don't you see what I'm going through? And all I ask for is answers to questions.
About the sky falling.
In your classroom.
It's really wet. It's really drippy.
Bishop, what if it gets on the electrical wires?
That would be a solid drag, dude. Yeah.
No bueno.
Where's your daughter?
Well, it's really leaking.
Yeah, shouldn't we call someone?
It's not even raining outside.
Yeah, call the cops.
Janice, that's what I said. Call the 5-0.
Call 5-0.
Get the 5-0, get the fuzz in here.
One more look.
I'm gonna do my stop raining dance.
Heather does not have a stop raining dance.
Oh, I do. It's a
Looks like it's starting to rain out.
that's not how the stop raining.
More rain. But no rain outside. No rain. Rain inside.
Hey there, what am I to do? And don't you see what I'm going through? And all I ask for is answers to questions. But all this confusion lets me know that I'm losing. Say there's more than something happening. Something so much bigger than what my eyes can see.